Hello everyone, welcome to Web Magnet Hub. In today's session, we will discuss about how to write this whole number as a plus 91 format. For this, select this cell and type single apostrophe plus 91. Give some space if you want to, and type this whole number as it is 8023654720. Okay, and hit enter. Drag it till C23, click on data, click on flash fill, and see the magic, guys. Uh, the number, all the number has been written in plus 91 format. If you if you want to change in this data, like if you suppose you want to give a bracket over here, okay, bracket over here, or space over here, or dash over here, anything you want to give. Like I want to give space, then hit enter and see the magic. All the data has been now changed. Okay, so that's it for the today's guide, guys, and I hope that this option can save you a lot of time. Thank you for watching this session. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.